Welcome to Pixbee. This is a quick tutorial to show you how to set up your Pixbee and download the app onto your smartphone. So let's get started. In the box, you'll find your Pixbee Video Smartwatch, the charging cable, a SIM tray pin, a quick start guide, and a user manual. So now let's dive into setup and bring your Pixbee to life. First things first, your Pixbee needs a NANOSIM card connected to a 3G or 4G network plan to work. You can buy these from all the major mobile network providers. Your Pixbee needs to be charged for 4 hours before setup, so please ensure you complete that process first. So now that your Pixbee is charged and you have a working NANOSIM card on hand, let's use the pin to open the SIM tray, which is on the left-hand side of your Pixbee watch. Just poke the tip of the pin on the lower side of the SIM card tray and gently lever it outwards. This makes the tray release outwards. Please don't poke the SIM pin into the small hole next to the SIM tray. This is a microphone and it can be easily damaged by the SIM pin. From here, you can place a NANOSIM into the tray. Slide the SIM tray in. Once it shuts securely, you're ready to turn on your Pixbee. On the right-hand side of the watch, you'll find your Pixbee's on button. Press the on button firmly for 3 seconds to power on your Pixbee. Your Pixbee should now be powered on. Now, let's make sure your firmware is updated. We need to do this so that you have the most current version of Pixbee's operating system and up-to-date security settings. To update the firmware on your Pixbee, swipe left on the watch screen 7 times. This will take you to the More screen. Swipe up until you see Update appear in the options. Press Update to check if there are any system updates required. Press the arrow in the middle of the screen to update your firmware, if an update is available. Now that your Pixbee firmware is up to date, let's download the Pixbee app to your smartphone. Your Pixbee will need to be paired with the watch wearer's parent or guardian's smartphone. This is because the phone app functions like a central control unit where you can add, approve, and block contacts, activate school mode, and send messages. So let's install the Pixbee app and connect your watch to your smartphone. What's great about the Pixbee app, aside from how user-friendly it is that it's completely free. Firstly, download the app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Depending on your device, scanning the QR code in the Quick Start Guide manual with your smartphone camera will take you to either App Store or the Google Play Store. This is how you scan the QR code. Alternatively, you can search your App Store for the Pixbee app. Once you locate the Pixbee app, install it onto your device. Now that your smartphone has the Pixbee app installed, we can pair your Pixbee to your smartphone. Make sure you have your Pixbee and your smartphone handy. Open the Pixbee app on your smartphone and create an account. To create an account, on the welcome screen, press Register. Enter your best email address and password. You'll now need a code sent to you to complete registration. Click Send Code and Pixbee will email you a verification code to the email address you provided to complete the app registration. Please check your inbox and your junk folder for the email. Once you receive the verification code by email, enter it into the Pixbee app. Click Register and you're done. Now that you're registered, open the Pixbee app and log in to start the pairing process. Your smartphone will automatically open to a screen that will scan your Pixbee's QR code to connect. You can find the QR code by swiping the Pixbee screen left to the green pair icon screen. Tap the pair icon to open it. Now scan the QR code on your Pixbee watch using the scanner in the Pixbee app to start pairing. Good news! Your smartphone and Pixbee are now paired, and now you can start managing the features of the watch from your Pixbee app. Thanks for watching.